Hey guys, this is Mike Autorino. Um, I just wanted to talk about this cool project I found on GitHub called Vane. So basically, what I'm doing right now is I have two things running at the moment on my PC. The first thing I have running is this Vane Docker container. Um, and essentially, what this is a powerhouse um, website server that's able to run all different types of AI. And the specific AI that I'm running right now is Quen. I think it's Quen. Um, but as I've um, kind of noticed, if I were to go back to Vane here, go to settings, go, then go to models. Right now, it's running um, yes, it's running Quen. And I also have other models embedded into it, like Gemma, which is um, created by the talented folks over at Google. It's a similar version to Gemini, essentially. And I've tested it twice. First time I ran it, it was a little slow. This took about 2 minutes, I think. But then I asked it if it could day trade for me. It said no. I would hope so. And this took this was a lot faster. So I'm gonna try this again. I'm going to what could I ask it? Who is Mike Autorino from Adelphi University? So we'll see how long this takes. I imagine it might take a minute, because it needs to search the internet, needs to generate a response. Oh, oh, Um, let's see. Mike Autorino is an accomplished professor and scholar of Adelphi University. He holds a PhD in public administration. What? From New York University School of Law, and has over 2 decades of experience in higher education. Um, that's a little wrong. Um, uh, they got the picture of me correct though. This is from my website. Um, but At Adelphi, Autorino teaches courses in public policy, public administration, and leadership development. His research focuses on governance, organizational behavior. Let me try asking it a slightly different question. Who is Michael Autorino from Adelphi University in Garden City, New York? Let's see how this response goes. Might take a second. Oh, here we go. Michael Autorino is a professor at Adelphi University, located in Garden City, New York. The public administration part is wrong. Um, got the picture right though. I don't know what this is. Global thinking and impact. I did not go to this event. End poverty. It's a cool slogan. Um, at Adelphi, Autorino teaches courses that focus on governance. Um, hmm. Still a little wrong. Let me try more. Let me try switching the model, maybe. Um, Let me go to settings, models. Let's try changing that. Gamma. Um, hmm, hmm. Let's take this. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn off Quen. So I need to say /by, and now I'm going to run Gemma. Gemma for E4B. I don't know if this is gonna run. I'm almost capped out on memory. I only have like, oh, never mind. Here we go. So now let me go here and change this to the correct image. There we go. Let's dump Quen real quick. I'll leave the other version of Quen here. I like the coding version. It's pretty good. It's quick. Okay. Now I'm gonna try searching with Gemma. Okay. See what happens. There we go. Okay, so it found the pre-college class I was supposed to teach a while back. It found my LinkedIn page. I don't know what this is. That's pretty cool. What's this? Michael Altorino. Oh, it did like a white paper lookup of me. There I am. It's got my phone number, my 4 emails. That's cool. Oh yeah, look at that. Phone number's wrong. The email looks right though. Wow. There's a bunch of more sources here. But it also looks like it's trying to load some images, but it's having a hard time. I can hear my computer fans freaking out right now. Michael Altorino. Oh, here we go. Some videos. There we go. There's me. I don't know what this stuff is. It looks like it's just videos from Adelphi. But let's check this out. Michael Altorino is established as an academic and professional figure within the technology sector at Adelphi University, specializing in advanced computational fields such as artificial intelligence and data science. Correct. And this is from which source? Oh, wow. It found my old website that I stopped working on. That's pretty impressive. This website's currently being hosted on um an Adelphi server. This isn't my actual website that I use anymore. He holds a recognized background in software engineering and contributes to the Department of Mathematics and Computer Science at Adelphi University. That is correct. With his academic setting, he contributes to an environment that also features faculty expertise across disciplines such as English, biology, and anthropology. That is correct. I don't personally study these topics or fields of study, but there's a lot of brilliant people at Adelphi who do. It got my master's degree correct. It got my bachelor's degree correct. Um, yep. AI, machine learning, data science. Yep. So, in summary, Michael Altorino is a qualified software engineer and professor of computer science at Adelphi. Credentials from Adelphi and Hofstra and CompSci. Serves as an expert whose research contributions are concentrated on cutting edge fields, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science. That's correct. His role represents a deep integration of academic theory with practical technology application at the university level. Correct. Oh, and it gives me recommendations here too, if I want to ask it follow-up questions. How do Professor Autorino's experience in AI and data science relate to modern trends in software engineering or predictive modeling? That sounds like a cool prompt. Who's this guy? Um, what specific industry applications? Sure, that seems interesting. See what it comes up with here. Hmm. I wonder if it can find something from my portfolio website. What I would really like to see is it find the um AI app that I made a while back that I have on GitHub. And it looks like um I mean, it's got, a lot of my fields that I like this like sectors that I like to look into and how they use AI, which is impressive. Um However, it did not find I do not think it found that GitHub thing I was talking about. I'll scroll back up to the sources. Um let me ask it. Can you find any projects from Michael Altorino on GitHub? Looks like the image generation is a little not the image generation, I'm sorry. The thumbnails that it uses for the articles tends to bug out sometimes, but that's fine. You know, the software here is really cool. The only downside to what I'm doing right now, well, not necessarily a downside, it's pretty cool. I'm running, this AI on my machine. Um, so it can only do, what my machine is capable of. Like, my graphics card's at 80% right now. My memory's at 90. And my CPU's at like 30, 40 range, which is kind of impressive. I'll admit my CPU's doing pretty well. Um, Same with my SSD. Search for Michael Altorino portfolio websites and apply with the projects he has shared. Looks like I spelled portfolio wrong. And by the way, just to remind you all, this is all running locally. The AI model, the website, it's all on my PC right now. It's not on some server somewhere. All of this was free. Now, if I had a PC twice as strong, maybe it wouldn't take, a minute or two every time to load everything. But it's still pretty sick, Like, if you want to get, like, some supercomputer for your company and just, have it on your network, completely possible. Let's see. Try Mike Arino.com. I'll give it a little hint. By the way, just for some context, this is my actual website. If you're curious, I have a little blog. I like to talk about random stuff. Have my projects that I've made at Adelphi. This is the AI chatbot I was talking about earlier. I also have a message board. If you're interested in reaching out, feel free. Oh, there it goes. What happened? It broke. Let's try again. Ah, too bad. Well, it was fun while it lasted. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed. Maybe in another video, I'll show you guys how to set this all up. All right. I'll see you later.